I'm JBigTicket23 from GreenPCGamers.com, and in this video we're going to give you a close-up look at a Dell G3 15 gaming laptop. The close-up look includes unboxing the system, opening up the chassis to look for potential upgrades, and at the end of this video we'll also run through some popular PC game titles to see what type of FPS we get, as well as the temperatures that we're achieving. This system features an i7 10th gen processor and a 15.6-inch 144Hz display. The left side of the laptop has a power port, a mini display port, an HDMI 2.0 port, a USB 3.2 port, an RJ45 gigabit port, and a Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C port. The back of the chassis has two airflow vents that allow the internal blower fans to keep the chassis cool. The right side of the laptop has a standard SD card slot, a headset mic jack, two USB 2.0 ports, and a wedge lock slot. We are now going to remove the bottom plastic cover from the laptop to take a look at the internal components. The internal components look nice and clean. We particularly like the ability to add a second NVMe M.2 solid-state drive if needed. Also, we like the two blower fans that are designed to cool our processor and GPU. This chassis design also allows for easy access to upgrade our memory if needed. Although the Dell spec sheet says that we are already maxed out at 16 gig of memory, we plan to try installing two 16 gig modules in the future to see if it works. This laptop also features a 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard that can be customized via the Alienware Command Center app. This is a close look at the F2 setup. We apologize for the poor quality, as we were not able to get a clear screen capture of the setup utility. Our configuration features an Intel i7-10750H 6-core processor. According to Intel, the processor has a base frequency of 2.6 GHz and a max frequency of 5 GHz. This laptop came loaded with Windows 10. It also had the Alienware Command Center app installed that will allow us to modify lighting and monitor hardware and thermals. When we ordered this laptop, we specifically chose a system that had a 6-core CPU, a GTX 1660 Ti, 16 gig of memory or more, and an M.2 solid-state drive in hopes of having a better gaming experience. We'll now run through some popular game titles to see how well the laptop performs. We'll be using the GeForce experience for each game to optimize the game settings based off of our system hardware. These are the full system specs for the laptop. We don't recommend using the GeForce Experience optimized settings for this particular game. As you can see, we are getting horrible FPS and the CPU temps are unsustainable. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, and thank you so much for watching.